Imagine a farm where drones plant seeds, robots weed the fields, and AI tells you exactly which crops will make the most money before you even plant them. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's actually happening right now in 2026. And farmers using AI are doubling yields while cutting costs like never before. Today, I'm breaking down how AI is transforming farming from soil to harvest, with real-world examples that are changing food production forever. Farming used to rely on guesswork. But in 2026, AI knows the soil better than the farmer. Meet the John Deere Exact Shot system, an AI-driven planter that uses computer vision to place fertilizer precisely on each seed, not across the whole field. The real-world result? Farmers are reporting 60% fertilizer savings and better seed germination. In India, startups like Cropin AI track soil health, moisture, and nutrient levels using satellite data. The system then calculates the exact day and spot where seeds will thrive. Planting isn't just planting anymore. It's precision engineered by algorithms. In 2026, drones aren't just taking cool pictures. They're acting like flying agronomists. Companies like DJI Agris and Centera AI scan entire farms in minutes, identifying early diseases, nutrient deficiencies, water stress, and pest hotspots, all before the farmer even sees the problem. African maize farmers using aerobotics AI saw up to a 30% increase in yield just by acting early on pest alerts. One drone flight leads to thousands of decisions automated. Every leaf becomes data, every problem is caught early. It's like giving farmers superhuman vision. Water shortages are crushing agriculture globally, but AI is fighting back. Systems like ArableMark AI and NETAF Smart Drip Irrigation read real-time weather, soil moisture, and plant stress, then deliver just enough water, no guesswork, no waste. In California, almond farms using AI irrigation saved up to 20% water per season while maintaining the same production levels. The AI literally knows when plants are thirsty. Human labor shortages? I stepped in, literally. Weed-killing robots like Carbon Robotics Laser Weeder identify weeds using AI vision and vaporize them with lasers. Yes, lasers. Autonomous tractors from John Deere and Monarch operate without drivers, navigating fields with centimeter precision. And harvest bots like Agribot's strawberry pickers harvest fruit at peak ripeness using machine learning. For farmers, these robots mean lower labor costs, 24/7 operations, and consistent quality. The farm of the future doesn't need to sleep. This is where AI gets insane. Platforms like IBM Watson Agriculture, Agriventa AI, and Kisan GPT analyze market prices, climate forecasts, supply chain demand, and historical yield patterns, and they tell farmers, plant tomatoes. Demand will spike in 3 months, or reduce maize acreage. Fertilizer prices will eat your profit. It's like having an economist, weather expert, and agronomist all working for the farmer. One Kenyan pilot project reported a 40% profit increase by using AI crop planning recommendations. Harvesting used to be manual chaos. Now AI sorts, grades, and packs produce with robotic precision. AI cameras detect size, color, ripeness, and defects in seconds. Companies like Tomra Food automate sorting with 99% accuracy, reducing waste and boosting export quality. The result? Cleaner harvests, higher prices, and less spoilage. So is AI replacing farmers? No, it's empowering them. The farmer of 2026 isn't just growing crops. They're managing data, drones, robots, and algorithms. We're entering the era of smart farming, and it's feeding the world more efficiently than ever before. If you found this mind-blowing, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which AI farming tech do you want to see in action next?